right, I gotta add some tin foil to my squash because I really don't want it to dry out in here. And I kind of forgot that when I was putting it in the oven. So oh man, I am having the worst time with these shoes today. This is the second time I've dumped stuff down in my suede shoes. I don't know. I don't even know. I'm gonna set that down here. Whew. Make sure your oven door don't burn you. Okay, well, just a little mess.